All right, now here's a challenge for you. I want you to back up without letting off. Basically, when you this is a ridiculous level. I don't even like this level. All right, but I've done it so many times where I've gotten actually really good at it. Now the trick is, okay, you know what? I was going to show off and going to do it really fast, but I'm going to do it like maybe half speed. All right, and I'll probably still get 3 stars, but you got to stay close to the. And you got to zoom out. You got to stay close to the wall, to these walls. You know what? Hold on. Let's restart this just so I can kind of. There we go. Okay, you got to stay close. Now I'm basically not letting my finger off the screen, or basically I've got the mouse clicked the entire time. So you got to stay close. There we go. Now I'll do my straight back, and then you can start turning them like around here. This is the trick to getting through this level. All right, without having to do any pull forwards. So I'm going to keep it turned until, there we go, until we're just missing it. There we go. Now we can see it, and we can start turning roughly around here. Not too hard. And of course, now we're watching for the next. There we go. All right, we're already missing it. Let's do a straight back. It's very important. The straight backs are so crucial. Okay, let's start turning again. Now it's going to get a little narrower. Okay, there we go. We're just missing it. I prefer to be a little closer. There we go. Just a little bit closer, because we got to start turning here. Yeah, nothing too much. But trust me when I say close is key. Because if you have to do hard turning, there is no room. Now, see that? Oh, let's turn a little harder because we're running out of space. Again, as soon as we miss it, we want to be straight. All right. Let's turn to the right now. Yeah, this is one of the difficult ones. If you can get through this without having to actually stop, you're doing something right. All right, let's get ourselves straight. All right, and now all we have to do is just park in this big space back here. I don't think I'm going to be able to. I think we're just going to drive into the space, and won't be too hard. Yeah, I left it nice and big. You already did the big challenge part. You don't need to be challenged too much, having to back into an actual space. But anyway, okay, let's just drive in now. And stop in any angle you want, because pat in the back.